All right, I found these at Costco on sale. They were $9. So, claims to do the windshield, or sorry, the lights. You can see that they're yellow. I've done them before. So we're gonna try it, see if it works. Okay. One application there. And then no application there. So it looks okay. I'll take it. We'll see how long it lasts. Okay, that's both of them. I'd say it's better. It's not great. It's not like, I forget the other one that I use. Maybe it's the Meguiar's. But I don't know. For $9, probably good enough. Maybe I'll do it again.